Okay, here it. Yeah, okay. So far we discussed to add one, as Arivandagri Prabhuji said, we'll add one, here is
Right.
one slide, which gives us the initial introduction of Hare Krishna Mantra, why we are doing it. And then we are coming to this Shastric evidence, correct? So this is okay.
Yeah, Shastri. Yeah.
So this is okay. Hare Namanu Kirtan. Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare. This also is okay. But do you think we have to reduce this, some of the things, or it is okay? We have to see that.
Prabhuji, within 8 minutes, I think all this then can be presented, no, Prabhuji, because it
Yeah.
will not take much time. One screen will take less than 30 seconds, 35 seconds, even if someone is explaining this particular. Prabhuji said the phrases, even if some of the phrases, if they are explaining, still it will be well within 8 minutes, Prabhuji.
Okay, that's fine then.
Because 10 slides are there, I believe. In 10 slides, only 4, 6 or 7 is only being talking slides. And that talking slides, I think, otherwise they will run out of material to fill the 8 minutes.
Yeah, correct. That's true. And here, of course, this also we can say that there may be so many ways for self-realization or whatever is that, but in Kali Yuga, this is more important. So this again, and this gives for all people. It's not that the person who is only desiring something, or so this for all the people, all kinds of people. Correct? And then
all the 3 varieties of people.
All the 3 varieties of them, yes. And this Chaitanya Chatma Adilila is again there. No,
Prabhuji, we missed to add the other last one. That's a very good verse you have shared, Prabhuji. That is Nama Sankirtanam Yasya Sarva Bhava Pranashanam.
Yes.
Pranava Dukkha Samanas Tam Namami Harim Param. I think that also we can add, Prabhuji, the last one.
Yeah, we can add that. We can add.
Okay. So before this Sikshashtakam, we will insert, Prabhuji.
Before the Sikshashtakam, yes, we can do that before the Sikshashtakam, because yeah, correct. Because here
sorry, Prabhuji. Maybe up to slide 8, it is Srimad Bhagavatam. Maybe as the 9th slide we can insert before that Chaitanya Chaitanya.
Okay, we can do that. Okay. That's okay, no problem. So,
Prabhuji, do you feel that one more slide, if we add, we'll run out of time? No, I think that can be covered.
No, that can be covered. I think that can be covered.
Okay.
Some of them maybe we will not read the full, right? The essence only we can tell if the time is less.
Yeah. One rehearsal, and then probably that if they are able to cover, then fine. Otherwise, maybe they had, as Prabhuji said, yes.
So this okay. And so this slide you can share. So Prabhuji can share this, or you can, because.
Which one?
The one which you said now.
Okay.
No, that we didn't add, Prabhuji. We will after Arvindagara Prabhuji inserts that and shares, then we will add this also and share, Prabhuji.
Okay. So you will add that's fine.
I will send mine, Prabhuji. That slide I will send, so you can pick that or whatever.
Okay, you can send in the group and Prabhuji can pick that.
No, Prabhuji, what you can do, you can insert in this itself and send it to us, and then we will add the 12.20.23 and again share back to everybody.
Yeah,
okay,
that's fine. Okay.
If that is okay.
Yeah, sure.
So this Namakari, and that's it. And these 2 Prabhada courses there. So this
Prabhuji, this image is not clear, Prabhuji. The slide 11, the image, whatever we got from internet is not very clear. It's a bit blurred.
So see, that will come in the end now, na? This.
Yeah, end. This is. He said that it is like at the end we have to display his design grace code. So the last presenter, whoever is presenting, has to share this particular screen to show that, Prabhuji.
Yes. So that's nice.
I have the same slide. Yeah, correct. It is. It's not. Yeah, it is from the somehow I got the same slide, but you said the writing is not clear, right?
Yeah, but we can say then that we could not get a better writing, but we can read it. We will read it.
Yeah. We can read out.
We can read out. We can read out. So
that is good, better.
That should be okay. That should be okay.
So we have the Guru's evidence is there, Shastric evidence is there, then Sadhu's evidence is there, Mahaprabhu's evidence is there. So that is we covering Sadhu, Guru, and Shastra all.
Yes.
That is nice.
Correct.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, should we have to add some more slides for what is the advantages of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra? This is only Shastric evidence. Why should we?
No,
so what is the advantage? Something like
because I thought this includes advantages, because we say why? Because we are getting, but you have some thing in mind, Mataji? We can think.
Yeah, some small, because maybe this is for the new devotees, maybe it's all Shastric evidence, maybe something symbol also we should put something.
No, all these Shastric evidences we are going to explain. These all Shastric evidence are saying about the importance only and what is the instrument for the Kali Yuga. I think we can simply explain rather than putting more slides. That's what my opinion is.
In the end, we can put a statement. We can give a statement like we are giving lecture, no? So we can get a statement that if you see all these the slides which you have seen, makes it very, very clear. Makes it very, very clear that in this age of Kali, this is the best process we have for our own ultimate benefit or the Paramalakshya.
So you have that slide also, Mataji, the one which says that this is the only way out of Kali Yuga, like, right? Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama.
That is Kali, that is there, no?
That is there, no, Mataji?
Yeah, we have this.
Kali.
After this, 1 minute. Yeah, Hare Nama Kevalam.
Yeah, this is advantages, right?
Yeah, no, all are advantages only, but in the end,
no other means, yeah. But
all
one
this,
thing,
all this, please
go ahead, please go ahead.
No, what I thought of adding is all these scriptural evidence are saying why we have to and why we are chanting. Yes. And what benefit we get out of chanting. But only thing is, my only worry is now in the lesson plan we have the last segment where the reasons, importance, 10 and 3 minutes we have reserved. In those minutes, what we will be conveying, Prabhuji?
No, we will ask them to convey. Na? It's a whole class discussion.
Oh, it's a whole class discussion. Yes. Oh, okay.
Correct, no? I think that's
Why should we chant?
Yeah. Oh. So we have told them why should we chant. Now they should tell us what they have learned. Correct.
Very good. Very good.
We have done WCD, whole class discussion. Correct.
Okay.
We can tell at the beginning that please listen carefully.
What about don'ts, Prabhuji? What we should not do? That we have to put it here in presentation?
That we have to do in, no, that we should do in demonstration. Correct?
Demonstration, okay.
Yes.
Because I think that will be more matching there, demonstration. What we are doing, how we should not do, and what we should not do. That's all part of demonstration, correct? How?
Yes.
So how
things to avoid? Yeah.
Okay. So so last we have these 2 slides. I think both slides are okay. We can show them that this print is not good, but we will read it, something like that. And I think I will minimize it so I can read it. Yeah. It shows, this is the Matchless Gift, chapter 7, correct, Mataji?
Yes.
Matchless Gift, chapter 7. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's a matchless gift, yes.
Yeah. A Vaishnava bestows the priceless gift of the Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Simply by chanting the mantra, one can remain in a liberated state. Hare Krishna, Krishna consciousness.
So this is the last slide of the presentation, right?
Yeah. No, there is one more, no?
One more.
One more is there? Okay.
Yes.
Both are quotes. Both are quotes only.
Quotes.
This is clear. This is very clear.
Okay.
It's so attractive that anyone who chants it. We can show this and ask them to read. Ask somebody to read, correct?
Okay, we can ask them.
Yeah, or we can read it. I mean, depends upon the situation there. So it's so attractive that anyone who chants it, including.
So this will be these two slides will be at the end of the class to conclude, and the last minute we like to probably last 2 minutes we have to project these two slides. No, Prabhuji?
Yes, correct. So I think this will be there with us in the screen.
Yeah.
Everybody should have in their screen probably. Correct.
Yeah. Temporarily we will be not sharing the screen, and when this moment comes again, we'll have to share the screen so that people can see.
Yeah. Correct. So so now I could not take the print, but I have here. Anything else is remaining?
Prabhuji, shall I share another screen?
Yeah, you can share, Mataji. You can share, yes.
You have to stop this.
You have to stop it, I think. Yeah,
Stop.
Prabhuji has to stop it.
We have done stop.
This one. These are some benefits of chanting the Mahamantra.
Yeah.
So this is, you get the control over your mind.
Okay.
So then there is it's filled with happiness. So these are some benefits. So one may or may not know the power of chanting the Hare, but if one chants the holy name, he will become free from all sinful reactions. Maybe either we can say this, or we need to.
We can show this also.
We cannot have two presentation session that he told.
No, we have to add. We have to add this.
We have to add this slide to that only. Correct?
Some
but
benefits.
Within that first 8 minutes, is it possible to add more slides, to present more slides?
I don't know whether we can rework the time, because in the last one we can keep reduce little because only people will tell them, no? People will tell us.
Yeah.
So that we can reduce, and here I think these are good slides. That's like very nice. We can do that. I mean, there we are giving the Shastric evidence. Here also Shastric evidence is there, but it is
but these are some benefits.
A different rasa, different taste, that what we are going to get. Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is in common man's language.
That are evidence. This is the benefits what we get. Why should we have to chant?
Yeah,
these are the benefits
for chanting. Yeah, actually this thing has come in our but here it is specifically this is mentioned. This particular
is it possible, Prabhuji?
Namna Makari. This particular thing has come there. Namna Makari.
Yes. Yeah,
correct. So
some more things have come.
Yeah. We see the previous one.
So this is
non-different.
This is non-different. This is benefit 9, and a person who chants Hare Krishna, all good qualities.
Yeah, that is there.
This is another. All other Vedic mantras are included in the chanting of Hare Krishna. So just by chanting this mantra, you get the benefit of all the other.
Yeah, so I think some of them definitely we can include there, I believe. Some of them, which is like only we can need not repeat that.
Okay, this is not repeat. So from this, some of them we can include it.
Yeah.
Prabhuji, maybe if you can kindly guide which one you would prefer to include. No, Prabhuji, that will include and share, Prabhuji. Maybe this one will again share to everybody. And Prabhuji, kindly advise which one you would prefer to include. Then
no, we can just say just now. There is no problem. See, this one is okay. You go to benefit 1, correct? So this one is okay. Okay, because this is something new, correct? So to go to next.
Prabhuji, I am unable to recollect this particular sloga, which is this particular thing, the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which says about. one must conquer the mind. Those I'm unable to recollect the sloka. I think it's coming from one of the verse.
Whimsical thought that your mind can remember, you can get the utmost peace of mind.
That we can search it. That is not a
Yeah.
problem.
And not necessarily to search a verse, but
Yeah, but we have
Here-
to give the reference of the verse. Correct. Correct. So Mataji, you can search this reference better. But this verse is this benefit we can include, but we
Okay.
we did not write that verse now. It becomes too much. We can simply say that
Yeah.
Bhagavad Gita.
Only reference we can.
Yeah, 2.3 says. Okay. Next, number two.
It's filled with happiness.
Miseries of life. Yeah, this also is okay. We can include that. Number
So
3.
one may or may not know the power of
Yes.
chanting the Hare Krishna, but if one chants the holy name, he will become free from all
Yes.
sinful thoughts.
Correct. This also we can include. Something new. I mean,
This-
it may be good, but it is not directly included. So, yeah, this I think we can ignore because this we are doing the same thing. Na? We have told in the beginning.
so-
This we can add in the beginning.
So,
This is there in that same why something, right?
Yeah.
Beginning.
So,
Yeah.
but Prabhuji, you said this, na? Original true self, awakened.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
your point. So probably you can use this. Mataji will share this in this. You can use this in correct in your way.
this also we covered in this age of Kali, only the means of getting.
And this has come already.
This is already.
Already there. Yeah.
This already.
So this
Yeah,
is
this
one
is
revives his.
Yeah, either this we write, keep, or that we keep there in the beginning, as Prabhu said.
Okay.
So
Correct.
out of these two, one can be kept. Whatever you feel better. Next.
Mataji, in the beginning, you can keep this one instead of benefit. So what I
Yeah.
mentioned, right? So you can put this slide, it will take care of that.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be good, I think.
And that we can add here that this is the purpose of our human form of life. Correct.
Yeah.
And we will explain this. Why we will explain. Because something that we speak
So
also.
why one should chant? Yeah. The question we can put there, why one should chant?
Yes.
By simply chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, one revives the original relationship with the God.
Yeah.
Right?
So this Mataji can put this then in the beginning.
Correct,
Okay.
correct. So
Okay.
this one you can move as a, yeah, that's good.
So this will serve your point, Prabhuji. Then you need not add.
Correct, correct.
Yeah. Okay. So next, Mataji. Next, benefit 7.
Is chanting Hare Krishna gets you out of the endless cycle of birth and death.
Yeah, this is repetition. We can avoid this.
Okay. Then 8. There are no hard and
Yeah,
fast
this
rules
also
to
we can
chant.
avoid.
This this we can tell well how we should
Namakar.
chant there. You can.
Namna Makari Bauda. In that it is.
But this is already there in our other slide. Nam Nam Agari Bhagavata Nija Sarva Shakti.
Yeah. This particular point is there.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then Lord Krishna and his holy names are non-different.
Non-different. Yes. This we can say separately also. That this is the only understood in Namna Makari, but this we can say separately. Okay.
Mm.
Next. All good
Then
quality.
person.
Yeah. Okay. This also is okay.
Qualities, yes.
Hmm.
And this is by just chanting this mantra, you get the benefits of all the others.
To get benefit of all others. But is there any evidence, direct evidence?
Direct evidence is not mentioned.
Yeah, I
All
think.
Vedic. This is Namavinu Kaligale or Nahi mantra. That particular thing is saying the same, no, Prabhuji? That is Namavinu Kaligale Nahi Aradharma Sarva Mantra Sara.
Sarva Mantra Sara. Yes. So this also
It's
can.
almost same principle.
Yeah. This also can be.
So there we can write it down or maybe keep the pictures.
Yeah, with this statement we can
So
write.
there the meaning is already there. In the age of Kali, there is no other religious principles other than chanting the holy name, which is the essence of Vedic times. This is the purport of all scriptures. That's what the translation. So they're already there in this slide.
Okay.
Maybe we can put the picture.
No, already that slide is fully filled with that sloka and things like that. So better not.
Next is Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Yeah, next one.
This one.
This we can add because this is talking of the whole world, correct? All societies, humanity, materially and spiritually. This can be added in the last, yes.
Okay, that's it.
Yes, that's it. Okay.
Mm.
So now you know you can.
So we are, yeah. So we are going to add this one.
Yeah, we can add this one. Yes. Only we will say the reference of Bhagavad Gita here. That's it. And one slide will go at the beginning. Which original consciousness will tell in the beginning, as Prabhuji has said. One slide.
Yeah.
We show the original consciousness.
Yeah, that is in 6.
Yeah, that will come in the beginning before we start our presentation. Correct.
So this
before the scriptural evidence that will come. No, Prabhuji.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So now in the presentation, instead of 8 minutes, are we going to make it around 12 minutes or something, Prabhuji?
Yeah, we
No,
can
I don't think it will take much more time than
We should stick that. Yeah. 8 only, Prabhuji.
8 minutes only.
Yeah, if by chance we exceed, then in the last moment, the last one, whole class discussion can be adjusted now because we have kept that in the last. So depending on time, we can keep that. I mean, if at all the requirement comes there.
So we all have to monitor the time, right? Because
Yes.
one exceeds, then we have to next one we have to make it on time.
Yes.
Something like stopwatch we have to put here.
So we should have something like indicator to the speaker.
Yeah. Hurry up.
Okay.
Or shall we do one thing, Prabhuji? The first presenter, when the first presenter gets over and he has to hand over the relay baton to other, he can do 2 taps, something like that.
Yeah. The other one who's to receive that. Yes. Yeah.
Like
Right
this.
now. Correct. So
Yeah, that is good, bro. Bell. Time out.
So this okay, Prabhuji, icebreaker means, does anyone of you know Hare Krishna Mahamantra and can you recite it? No, we changed this, no? I changed this.
Icebreaking is chant Hare Krishna together. Then individually, we will ask some of them to chant.
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, okay. So
maybe 2 devotees will ask to chant.
One or 2 devotees. So whoever knows is there anyone who is chanting regularly?
We can also ask them instead of they volunteering. We can also ask them, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then the presentation part comes, right? Then after that, the presentation part comes.
Yes, presentation comes. After that, then we will. So next we will see how we should chant.
Yes.
So there, then we should show a video.
Yeah. So
video or video.
Yeah, presentation. I will add one more point here because display, and then we are. Before we giving guidance, we are giving the. I think this okay. We need not change it.
Yeah.
Demonstration. Yeah. So has somebody has said this demonstration video? Somebody could get it. So I was getting very long.
There is a video, but it's not very good. I'll search for some more.
Otherwise, we can give our own presentation. We can give our own line. That will be better, I think. Okay.
Yes, or we can explain. That's not a problem. We can explain, no?
Yeah.
So first, how to chant. So
yes,
everyone should have a chanting bag. So in the chanting bag, how? So that part.
This finger should not be there, and that we should touch the ground, and so many things are there, no? And we should start with we should not count on the top, what you call crown bead.
Krishna
we should start with Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda. That we have to tell them. And I think we have to have a slide to
also to show that.
Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda. Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gauraprabhu. I think.
Prabhuji, you are mute.
No, Prabhuji, Mataji and Prabhuji. we can share a slide for how to chant, demonstrate. Can we do that? We can do that, right?
स्लाइड कैसे करेंगे प्रभु जी? ये तो वीडियो होगा ना? स्लाइड
Video. Maybe if we are explaining, we have to put some pictures and explain. This is how this can be done. This is how it has to be, like holding the chanting bags, beads, like that. If
No,
we are
the
explaining,
because it's offline.
training actually it is we cannot have a presentation, too many presentations. So it should be either video or live, we have to say.
oh, okay. So one
So
presentation.
already we had one presentation over. So again we cannot have another presentation. So we have to have this as a live
We can make
or
live.
as a video.
If we
If
can
good
get
video is available, I'll get it.
if some, because what one I tried to get it in fact, but they were very long and it was not serving the full purpose, because we want to say so many things and we want to say the precautions also there. No, the second when I prepared this, we have to say there's a precaution. So like we should have full attention. We should not talk to somebody. We should not read. We should not watch football match. We should watch cricket match. We should not watch TV. Correct? I mean, we
Things
should
to avoid. Yeah, things to avoid also as part of that should be there,
And that
right?
we can say, because these are new devotees, they have just started chanting. So we don't have to go into very deep of that offenses and all.
No, we are not
So-
offenses. It's general things. Only that
General things we
chanting-
can say.
yeah, chanting means you
As a
only
precaution, we should not do this.
Yeah.
Which is because your left hand is free, you should not use it for holding your mobile. seeing your
Yeah.
Yeah,
mobile.
because there is a
Or
group
doing
activity,
something else.
because there is a group activity following that. So we may have to narrate or tell all these don'ts so that they can repeat it through the sketches.
exactly. Because there's a group activity for this. Correct. So we have to
The
narrate.
demonstration is only 5 minutes, right, Prabhuji? 5 minutes only.
Demonstration only 5 minutes. So then they have to then during the demonstration, I think it would be better if he tells so how to hold it and how to count how many beats are going to be there, 108. What are the significance of those 108 beats there? So they are the 108 copies. Then how to chant, then how we should not use our this
Yes.
pointing finger.
Yes.
And then like hold like this only we have to hold, and then like that you have to say. Then one bead you have to hold and say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Then you have to move down.
Mataji can show this better. I think people will more carefully see you. So you present this demonstration. Mataji will present demonstration. No, better, I think.
So then like this you have to go finally by stopping also we have to say Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita.
And then you can add. What we should
Then
not.
we say, then what are the things we shouldn't do while chanting.
Yes. Okay.
Then we'll say, okay, now we'll do a group activity.
Possible.
You can
But the presentation is not. If possible, at that time we can show the slide what we should not do. Is it possible or no?
no presentation.
Maybe we'll search if there is a video, because I saw some videos, but I can't find
I
that
saw the
things.
video, but it is not giving the full information, and it is already 5-6 minutes more. Because video.
Prabhuji, what we can say, followed by this demonstration, we can immediately fuse 1 minute within 30 seconds or 40 seconds, we can say, we should not do this, we should avoid this, we
Yes.
should avoid this.
Exactly.
The saying is fine.
Yes, saying is fine. That's
Yeah.
So Mataji can do this slide demonstration.
Okay.
Okay. And so you note down your points, and no need to show that. You note down your points, and then you show that the demonstration part is over. And then after this, group activity.
Group activity may be
Two
another.
there, because we can make more activities. Now, because as we said, group 1, group 2, we were having different activities. I made 2 second time actually. 1 minute. Group-
Prabhuji, within 10 minutes, breaking in the breakout rooms, and people have to assemble. I think only this precautions itself will fill the time, Prabhuji.
Okay,
They have to
okay,
sketch and bring it back. No,
Okay.
they have to
Precautions-
sketch and then we
No,
have.
we will not break out. It's a group activity. It's a
No, group, we have to break out. The group activity means
breakout.
yeah.
Yeah. We have to do the
Then we should give them the time to present also, no?
Yeah.
we,
All
do
together, it
they
is
have
only
to
10
present to
minutes.
us? No, Mataji. They have, because we'll ask them to draw something, right? To
Yes.
things to do, things not to do, something like
We
that.
have to
Right.
definitely, no? We
We
have
kept
to ask
10
them
minutes.
to.
We kept
How
10
Yeah,
did
they
you-
had to show. We'll give them 5 minutes, and then the next 5 minutes we will ask them to just one of the group leaders should show it and just explain 1 minute only. So we'll make it only five groups maximum. Only 17 people. 17 people is only 4 groups is enough. Yeah, 4 groups will make it.
But do we
One
get
group will have.
included?
No, we will not be.
We are not
We4
part
are
of it.
excluded.
We are
We4 will be excluded. Okay, so only 17 will come.
Yes,
So
yes.
4 groups will make. 5 minutes we'll give for the breakout, and then the next 4 minutes each one should present it. So sometimes it may exceed. So they will explain. If they are explaining very big, they'll say that they will have only 30 seconds for you to explain. Like that we'll say. So it may go beyond 30 seconds. Then a group activity would be over. Then will come the why should we chant.
In the group activity, if at all we are giving only 5 minutes for them to sketch and come, within that 5 minutes, we'll be eating almost 1 minute for breaking them into groups. We'll require 45 seconds.
Before that itself, we have to learn how to make a group, and we have to create the group and keep it ready, and then we have to just start the group.
Yeah, the Prabhu to do that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, the time is 10 minutes, so we can give them 6 minutes. No problem. We can give them 6 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
This in our hand.
Otherwise, the same group will be there. So 3 groups, 4 groups will be there. No, already. Same thing will break out, including us. We will also be in one group.
Yeah.
Actually,
so 5 groups already there. Other than us, there are 4 groups, right?
Yeah, so they can break out in that.
So it will the same group will go. Same thing will go. So we don't have to create. So
that will.
Next will come the whole class discussion.
So now group activity, who should do it? Group activity, who will do
it? Group activity. Okay, presentation, who is going to do it? Presentation, Shubhamaya Prabhuji. Or
Shubhamaya Prabhu is better. I will do the introduction maybe.
Then whole class discussion, then Prabhuji.
Okay, and then last 2 slides.
Then finally, why? There will not be any slides, Prabhuji. Why should we chant? Why not meditation or fire?
Prabhupada quote will be there, na? In that.
Okay, that we can show. Yes.
The Prabhupada quote will show. So
that will be the conclusion. That will be the
conclusion. In that, why should we chant? What is the 10 minutes allocated to? Why not meditation? That's the one. 10 minutes. No. Why should? How is the time allocated there? The last portion.
That is why should we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra is 10 minutes. That is the whole class discussion.
Okay.
Then while it comes, then why not meditation or fire ceremony or ceremonial worshipping? Why we are not doing? That is 3 minutes. I don't know what this
actually. This was not going to show. This we are going to put. Correct.
Put the question to them.
No. We are going to ask only.
Yeah, we are going to ask them only. So we will say.
Yeah.
Just put our statement. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we can say like, you have seen the demonstration, you have seen the group, you have done the group activity, you have seen the slide showing importance. So now please recollect and tell us why should we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So either they should lift their hand or otherwise we'll ask them to put.
Yeah, one by one we can whole class discussion. Ask them to raise the hand and then each one will say and so the only thing is we need to within 13 minutes we have to complete this.
Yes.
And then finally we'll do a conclusion and that time we'll show that last
2
one that is
slides, the 2 slides of Prabhupada. You can show. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So then we'll ask at the end, okay, then do you know what is the importance?
Yeah.
So how you should chant and why we should chant. So,
yes, correct. So that means Shubhamaya Prabhuji will start, followed by Mataji, followed by Dhanakar Prabhu, followed by me, correct?
Yeah,
This-
group
What-
activity, Arvind Angri Prabhu,
Okay, Prabhuji.
or which one, or how do we introduction? How do we split it?
One-
Presentation, anyway, we cannot split it. Presentation, only one person has to do it.
Presently only one person has to do it. Either Shubhamaya
Prabhuji,
Prabhuji.
you can, Prabhuji, you can make the introduction as well as introduction also, Prabhuji, to start with. Then I can follow.
No,
with
introduction, Arvind Angri Prabhuji said, no?
Okay.
You will do it, no? Prabhuji? Or who will do it?
Introduction, icebreaker.
Icebreaker.
Icebreaker. Yeah, you decide, no problem. I thought,
Anything, Mat-
I think the same
Tell
person
me.
introduction will take 2 minutes. So is it not better to do the same person? Presentation, introduction?
It's not much now.
Okay.
You can just ask 2-3 questions, and then maybe you don't have to wait for too many people to 1 or 2 people only. So
So that's what I'm saying, that icebreaker and presentation can be done by one person. Because otherwise
Okay.
it's very odd. The person will come only 2
Okay.
minutes and go, correct?
Okay. Okay.
So
then the
introduction,
demonstration by
presentation,
me.
one person. Then so Shubhamaya Prabhuji or Dhanakar Prabhuji, which one we choose?
So in the Prabhuji, your choice, Prabhu. Anything. Give me Shubhamaya Prabhuji.
Shubhamaya Prabhuji, and you decide among yourself.
Which one, Prabhuji?
So
Dhanakar
first the
Demonst-
presentation part.
presentation part.
No,
Prabhuji,
presentation,
Prabhuji, you,
No, Shubhamaya Prabhuji, you do the presentation and the
Okay.
icebreaker. Both. Because it's
Okay.
only 11 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Icebreaker
10 minutes.
will be
Or
done
10
by-
minutes. 10.
Yeah.
Prabhuji, you do that, Prabhuji.
okay.
Okay.
Correct.
So icebreaker and
So-
presentation will be done by Shubhamaya Prabhuji. Then demonstration will be done by Shubhamaya Mataji. And then group
Okay.
activity will be done by Arvind Prabhu. And whole class discussion, conclusion will be done by myself. Correct?
Okay.
Oh.
So I'll be doing the group activity, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
group activity will, as soon as I finish, you start it. There will not be any break or handing over, nothing. So then now we will do the, as soon as I finish, okay, now, then you will start it. Now we will do a group activity, small group activity, and you explain what is the group activity, and then you will break out the rooms. Then after 5 minutes, we put the timing, and then 5 minutes after that, you have to conduct that, ask them to present it. So maybe you can make it clear, okay, making small comments or some corrections or something if it is needed, so that you can do it.
Or we have
But
a
it has to be fast.
if they don't want to write a sketch, they can put a statement also. We have said that there. We have said that, correct? Sketch.
Okay, Prabhuji. Yeah, still. Picture or
How is that,
image
Prabhu?
or statement.
Yeah.
How is that?
Prabhuji can
They had to
explain
show.
this.
So from there is 4 groups are going to be there. So each group only one person, group leader has to. They can
Present.
select one of them. So only four comments are going to come, either 4 pictures or 4 images or 4 statements.
Yeah.
So you have
what-
to just see it whether it is correct or not, or if it is, you have to encourage them. So it's very good and all those things. And then if there is some minor mistake or something, you can correct them. That's it. So some
Yeah.
encouraging statements you should make.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
again, I am just wondering, within 10 minutes, is it possible to conclude? Because we have to break those groups, and then they have to go. Those groups have to go and then do it, and then they have to come, and then they have to
That's okay.
present.
5 minutes only. After 5 minutes, automatically groups will come back.
That's okay, Prabhu, because they don't have to present big things like small.
Yeah,
We have to
so
cover
they will do some-
40.
Just a statements.
40.
Just
Yeah.
a statements. Correct?
So in that
Yes.
group act, precautions required while chanting. So what is our theme is precautions required while chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra,
Yes.
right?
Okay, do's. You
Or-
can say even do's and
Do's and
don'ts.
don'ts. Do's and don'ts.
Do's and don'ts.
Yeah, I think we can do right. Do's and don'ts we write. So that
Yeah.
both things are included. What we have to avoid and what we should do. Do's and don'ts.
That we can give it. So yeah, so I will tell like that, so now we are going to do a group activity. So we'll make 4 groups. So each group will present. What you have to do is you have to draw a picture and explain what are the things which we can do and we should not do, and we should do it, right? While chanting, what are the things we should do and what are the things we should not. So you have 5 minutes, the breakout room. So you will come back with your presentation from your group leader.
Yes.
So it's the time for that's it, right?
And
Then we will go and yeah.
You can say one more thing. Either you can draw a picture or you can write down the points. That's it.
Points, okay.
So,
but not more than 2 or 3 points. You can say 1 or 2 points, not more than 1 or 2 points.
Yeah.
But otherwise, they will bring a big list and they start reading.
Then read out only will be problem, right?
maximum 4 points. You can say maximum 4 points.
Yeah.
You can say the points which is covered by the previous group, you should not cover it. You should give a new point.
Okay. While presentation.
Only 4 people, na? While presenting, you can say that. The points which they are covered by the other groups, you should give a new point.
Yes.
So you don't need to point only, or you don't need to present. Give us the new points if there is anything. So first, as you said, you will have to appreciate them for their time. Then we just.
Written,
I think we need not say no. Nice. Hare Krishna, they will present only, but we can mention that if some point is already presented, you will not repeat.
Yeah.
We will.
Don't repeat it. We'll present for the new point.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Because if one group is saying that this is the same point I also written, then okay, then skip and we'll.
Then skip.
Okay.
We will save the time. Yeah, there is no point. Also, you can share your presentation in the WhatsApp. We will look into that. Right.
Okay, like that, we'll say.
Yeah.
One more thing. Do we have a provision for asking them anything by asking them? Any questions, any clarifications?
That is in the last and then the conclusion part.
Yeah.
Maybe.
To begin with the whole class discussion or before that? I mean, after discussion?
No, after discussion.
Otherwise,
finally, otherwise they will keep asking questions.
So everything we have to limit. If 5 people are raising hands, we only give chance for 2 people because we have time limit, right?
Yeah, well, in last
5 people might.
In last, I know the time.
Yeah. No, even in the beginning also, some people might raise a hand. So we only give 2 people to speak. You're not everybody to speak.
Yeah.
Otherwise, somebody might.
Correct. If Uttam Krishna Prabhuji comes, then he will go on speaking.
He will keep on speaking for 5 minutes for asking questions.
Like Gopichandra Prabhuji tells the Uttam Krishna Prabhuji, 20 seconds available. Please speak.
Yeah, we have to tell them. Okay.
Stuck.
So anything else we have to discuss? I think that is okay. Okay.
So now the presentation needs to be modified yet.
Yeah, so Mataji, you will make the modified presentation because Prabhuji's point also included there. So make modified presentation and send in the group, and that's it. Other persons have to do as we have discussed now.
Then we have to find out the video if there is available. Otherwise, we have to practice.
Yeah. So that demonstration is with Arvind Prabhu. Correct. Demonstration is with you.
Yes.
No. So either you find video or you present yourself. That's it. Demonstration.
Yes, that I have to do. Then most probably I will do myself. Otherwise, video.
No, you are doing demonstration. Yeah? You are doing demonstration.
Yes, I'm doing demonstration.
And Arvind Prabhuji is doing a group.
A group activity.
Group activity.
Okay.
I will learn how to break out the room. No problem.
No, otherwise we can ask Prabhuji to break out.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, so we can ask Prabhu. We can request Prabhuji the same group. Already there are the same group. We'll break out. That's it.
Yeah.
We don't have to create a new group.
Same group, and we need to discuss something. We will discuss something. That's it. We will be in one group.
Yeah, we will be in one group, so we can discuss what to do, how to do on the next
in our
class.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Okay. So you have to say that you can draw a sketch or you can simply make the statements because we are giving very less time to them. So we can't be. So that point to specify clearly that you can even write the point.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have covered demonstration we have covered, group discussion, ice breaking, presentation, and whole class discussion. I think that's how we can do it, correct? So Mata just look for any video if it is there, otherwise she will present on her own.
Okay, so we will do that. The final how we are going to do is, on Thursday we will again meet and we will see first the presentation, everything, and then we will do Shubhamaya Prabhuji will start. Then I'll do the this one. Then Arvindanga Prabhuji how to conduct. So that is then finally whole class discussion also how to do it. What are the questions need to be asked?
Yes,
so
correct.
That also will in the conclusion part. That also
Yes.
we'll do a demo and we'll see how to, especially this presentation and the demonstration, whether we can limit within that 10 minutes and 5 minutes that we are.
In demonstration or presentation, in group discussion, we will make 4 groups ourselves.
Group activity.
Group activity, we will consider ourselves as 4 groups and the Prabhuji.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. That will be good. Yeah. So we will monitor the time, how it goes.
Yes, that is why.
Yes.
So we ourselves are 4 group already. So that's fine. Okay. And whole class. Yeah, I think it is fine. It is fine. So whole class discussion, we first go for their points and then we can ask for questions also if time permits.
Yeah, when the questions, when the points comes, then based on the points also you can ask another question like that.
Yes.
So they come up with some points. Yes. Then that points, based on that point, okay, then they told something, then okay, why? Then that question you can ask, then somebody else will raise. Like no, that it can go.
The question which I was referring to is their question, if they have any doubt. In the normal,
that will come in the conclusion part. Then finally, if we have any doubts,
yes,
we will conclude it. If you have any doubts in any of the things, you can ask. We have.
So presentation part, you mean to say Shubhamaya Prabhuji will ask in the end that if there is any doubt, please confirm, correct? Are you going to ask that, Prabhuji?
No, Prabhuji.
Otherwise it will be too big.
I think it will be Prabhu, you can ask at the end only. Better is end.
End only. Otherwise they will keep asking questions, then then our time will go.
Yeah.
Because that is the assessment, no, Prabhuji. The end part is the assessment part. So we are teaching them how to chant. The end part is assessment part. So they can ask questions if they have any doubt.
Yes. Correct.
Before asking, probably better to say we do have 1 minute to discuss the question and answers. Anything like that, depending upon the time.
One or two questions. Yeah, we can take 1 or 2 questions.
Yeah,
yes, something like
like that.
We do have 2 minutes. We can take 2 questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. So Thursday we are meeting what time?
Thursday 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock will be too late.
Same time. 8 o'clock will be too late
for Prabhuji. It will be late, no? 8 o'clock. Prabhuji will be late.
7 o'clock fine, Prabhuji. 7 o'clock is fine.
Okay.
7 is okay.
7 is okay, no, Prabhuji.
For you, okay, Prabhuji?
Yeah, for me it is okay. Shubhamaya Prabhuji, Mataji, it should be okay with them.
For us, no problem, Prabhuji. For you only, we will be troubling if at all we are going.
7 p.m. is okay. 8 p.m. little too late because what happens?
Yeah.
Friday morning I have this here temple also. I have to give some talk, so I will prepare before, no problem. But here it is easy now. We are discussing.
Nearby home temple is there, Prabhuji. Gurgaon.
Gurgaon, there are 2 temples. There are 2 temples. So
it's nearby your.
Yeah, nearby
your home.
One is very near, another is near.
What's the temple called, Prabhuji? What's the temple called? What's the deity there?
Yeah, I will tell. The one which is running from quite some time, that is a little 7 kilometers from our place, is called Radha Damodar Bhagwan. But there we had Radha Damodar and Jagannath Baladev Subhadra. Actually, the main deity earlier was Jagannath Baladev Subhadra. Radha Damodar came later on. So it is called now Radha Damodar Temple. Badshapur, Gurgaon. Badshapur is the name of the area where that. Okay. And another temple is very near to me. We call it Sector 45 Temple. Gurgaon, Sector 45 Temple. How to differentiate? So Friday I have a class in Sector 45 Temple, but it's online.
Okay.
It's online.
Okay.
So, Hare Krishna. That's fine.
Prabhuji, Mataji, in the presentation part, no, in the beginning, in that slide where Mahaprabhu's TTC group, no, are we mentioning anywhere like our topic and audience, or it's understood already? Like,
No, actually, before starting the class, we have to show them this our aim and objective,
yeah.
Lesson plan.
not lesson plan. Aim
No,
and
no.
objective.
Aims and objectives.
Lesson plan is for us.
Okay.
Other one is aim. Because they should know how they should act. They should act
Yeah.
as a new devotee.
Yeah.
And what
So-
is the topic which
And
they are
that
going
is
to
not the
follow.
part of 40 minutes, I believe. Prabhuji said, no?
No.
No, that is not part of 40 minutes.
Yeah. 40 minutes will be starting after.
40 minutes after that.
Prabhuji, we have to say within that last first presentation, should we say Mangalacharna, Prabhuji?
No. only
Mangalacharna
after-
don't go for very, only Jnana Timranda says enough.
That's it.
Yeah, Prabhu said even if you don't say no problem, but just say Ajnana Timiranda says.
Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Then
Yeah.
Then we'll start.
That's it. That's what we have to say. So exactly we will do rehearsal on Thursday, 7 o'clock Bahrain time. We are going to meet, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Same link will be there. I will share again, but same link is there. It is
Okay.
my platform.
Correct.
Mataji, I'm just asking, you have quoted those shlokas, no Mataji? Is there a picture form you are getting that? Like suppose there is a shloka, you have, just taking your presentation. Is there a picture form? Is there? No, right? Because just for presentation, but it's only a few minutes. That's fine because you don't. If
No,
you get a
in
picture,
actually in each one actually we should put some pictures.
picture, right?
Yeah, we should put.
And even the summarize also fine, right? Because some of them are having Kali Santra Upanishad. So you have a shloka and translation, right?
No, but
Yeah.
what happens if you put the picture there, this sloka will become too small, correct? I don't
Yeah.
know.
Prabhuji,
Yeah.
what we will try, we'll try to put like a faint picture at the background. We can put something.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yes.
A faint picture at the back. It will be faint in color, a kind of subdued color, but it will be at the
Correct.
background. That we can try.
So,
Only thing
that-
is, if we put, sometimes
Impression.
the
Yeah.
fonts may not be clear. So we'll try to put something subdued color.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
that's fine.
Yeah, because background, right? So that
Yeah.
when you present it, it will be like very catching the eyes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll try.
Actually,
Maybe-
what I feel is when we are talking, we should give more importance rather than, because this is supposed to be the new devotees. They may not be knowing anything about this slokas
No,
or
no, no,
anything.
no, no,
So
like,
we will be focusing more on the translation or the
Yeah.
explanation.
Yeah, no, the
Prabhuji-
Prabhuji is saying about the picture because it will be like, it will look very good. I understand.
Yeah.
And what
But
was-
Prabhuji, one more thing you can do when you are presenting this, right? You can also project yourself in front of the picture. They can also see you. There is an option in Zoom where you can come in front. The picture is your behind. You will be in a small on the right side. Your picture will be so they
I
can
will try-
see you.
I will try to hide Prabhuji.
No, you have to, because what happens, that interaction comes then.
No, but when he shares, his picture will be there. Yes, speaker. Normally it comes.
Yeah.
down.
No, Prabhuji. No, I will show you. It is nice thing. It's a nice thing which because my wife is doing this children class, no. So initially she used to picture the slideshow, no. So kids don't know who is talking. So then my son said, "You can do this, so they can see her eyes, hands are moving." Like
Yeah, I think you have to see Prabhuji, yes. But the person has to be seen. Otherwise, it won't look nice.
Yeah, Prabhuji is saying on the screen, when we are sharing the screen, the presenter will be a small stamp size image of the presenter will be seen. That's what Prabhuji is trying to show.
I will show you, Prabhuji. Just you have a few minutes, I can show you.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Actually, I have
So
seen
that way,
people sharing the screen. I have seen the people sharing the screen, and on the right side there is a box in which his picture is coming.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
will come, no, Prabhuji. Anyway, even if we share on the side, it will come.
Advanced.
Speakers, the speaker.
No.
gallery will-
Prabhuji is telling completely different. It is not the
Sure.
normal gallery. The presenter will be seen as a stamp
Yes, this
size.
is
That's what Arvindagara Prabhuji is saying.
There is a PPT one maybe.
1 minute, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. அது என்ன கொடுத்துருங்க
Is it advanced?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say, just
So now,
please forgive me my face.
Yeah.
I'm
we can.
explaining. If you keep a little bit far, you can see me. See, I'm talking to you. Otherwise, these kids know they are lost. They don't know who is speaking. Teacher's face is not there.
now only you are
So I
seeing.
can,
Okay.
yeah.
I see you can. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. You are.
But only problem is that Prabhuji, it hides some of the things which are on the screen.
No, it's very.
Have to move.
You have to move.
Here cursor will change movement.
You can move. You
Up and
can.
down.
You can move yourself wherever it is. You can make it small.
Okay.
You can move actually yourself.
Okay.
Puji, but now what you are seeing? Now you are seeing Prabhuji and this both together, correct?
Together, yeah. So so you have to keep little bit of your laptop far so that your full view will come.
Okay.
See,
Only thing is we should not obstruct the screen, whatever is being displayed. No words should be obstructed.
No,
So we have to just move our picture somewhere here and there.
yeah, no, what
Yeah.
happens-
See, it will be small, Abraham. It will not come like
Okay.
So in laptop it is okay, but if you are using our mobile, it may be difficult. I think that will be.
Yeah.
Mobile is difficult. Mobile is difficult.
Laptop is okay. I think.
Oh, you are able to move around it, huh? You are able to move around the screen.
Yes.
Great.
That is
You have to use the
Option
mouse.
Is that, madam?
Prabhuji?
Which presentation is that we are?
No, this is just now. I was trying to do something. Something.
Okay.
Don't worry.
But this you can explain to us. This thing you can explain to us.
I was trying to do something. I put this picture like same picture, Mataji. You put out. See, I have the same ones. I got the same picture, and I got one.
So how did you do it? How did you do it?
When you share, first you have to close your presentation. You should not open it. Close the presentation. Then you go to then you have to go to advanced. When you go to share, and there is an advanced option, basic and advanced.
Okay.
Then in the advanced, you have to select your PowerPoint. You go to the file, open it. There is a beta is there. Then better you keep your presentation in the desktop itself, open file. So you don't have to go inside the folder.
Okay.
So in that way, when we share, it comes that way.
Okay, like that.
Okay.
Yeah, this is very easy.
Well, I'll try, Prabhuji. I'll try.
Yeah.
Normally I try to hide myself, not to be seen.
I would like to see you, bro. So there will be some interaction. Only 5 minutes still, but it's nice to have interaction, right?
Yes.
Right.
Of course, it is.
Yeah.
That's it. So I think we can conclude now.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Any other point, Prabhuji?
Yeah, thank you very much, Prabhuji.
Thank you so much for
Whatever you
organizing.
have prepared, that is, so please share it.
How, Mataji?
The one presentation.
Kindly share, Prabhuji. Kindly share, Prabhuji.
Very nice,
We'll
Prabhuji.
pick up.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll share it, but you can take whatever picture you want. But you were just I did half an hour. I was so busy now in the office. I couldn't. I'm really sorry.
No. It's okay.
So
I'll
Mataji
send
will
it.
prepare the revised presentation, correct?
Yeah, Mataji will prepare the final product, which is nice. You have all the points, Mataji, so
Yes.
you can do it.
Correct. Okay.
Correct.
That's it.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Vancha kalpadrubhyascha
कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च
Padithanam Pavani Vaishnavyo Namo.
गणपति वैष्णव वृंद की जय
Jai.
गुरुदेव महाराज की जय हरे कृष्ण So we'll conclude now.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Thank you so much for organizing.
Pranam.
Hare
Thank you.
Hare.
Thank you, Mataji, for making our life easy. And Mudal Prabhuji also.